everyone, you're watching my channel Biologics 5, and in this video we are going to discuss MCQs on microbes in human welfare, and that is part 2. In my earlier video, which is part 1 on microbes in human welfare, there was different MCQs, and in this video there are different MCQs. So I will provide the link of my earlier video on MCQs on microbes in description box. Now let's discuss these questions of part 2. The first question is about the methanogens. The question is methanogens growing anaerobically on cellulosic material, specifically cellulosic material produce. As we all know, methanogens are anaerobic bacteria present in the rudiments of cattle and also present in the excreta of cattle, and that is cow dung. And this is the gobar gas plant in which the slurry is coming from this inlet, and this is the slurry which is digested by these methanogens and the cellulosic material present in excreta of cattle. So the gas which is produced biogas, and it will include, come to the options, methane, yeah, it contains methane, methane carbon dioxide, yeah, methane and hydrogen, methane, last option, yeah, methane carbon dioxide and hydrogen, all of these. Actually the large part of this biogas contain the methane, and the another gases are carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So methanogens growing anaerobically on cellulosic material produce methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Now come to our next question, that is methanogenic bacteria are not found in rumen of cattle. No, they are present over there in rumen of cattle, lot of methanogens. Gobar gas plant, yeah, because there is cow dung and there are lots of methanogens in this. Bottom of waterlogged paddy fields, yeah, these are paddy fields and it's waterlogged actually, and methanogens are present in the marshy and swampy areas, so they will also present in the waterlogged paddy fields. Last one, the activated sludge, yeah, there is no methanogens over there. Actually in activated sludge they are aerobic bacteria and methanogens are anaerobic bacteria. In activated sludge there is aerobic bacteria. So this is the correct option. Now come to a next question, and that is about sewage treatment plant. The primary and secondary treatment, of sewage respectively, physical chemical, biological chemical, mechanical biological and physical biological process. So come over there, this is a sewage treatment plant, this is the primary treatment, and then this is secondary. In primary there is the filtration through bar screen and the sedimentation through settling tank. So in primary this is the physical treatment, first there is filtration and then sedimentation. In secondary treatment there is the biological treatment. Actually a bacteria functions in aeration tank, there are aerobic bacteria grow, and the sludge is said after sedimentation sludge is formed on which anaerobic bacteria will digest this sludge, activated sludge. So in secondary treatment there is the biological treatment. The primary is physical and the secondary is biological. So come to the options, no, first one not second, not third, fourth. You have physical and biological. Primary treatment is physical and the second one is secondary treatments involve biological, because there are lots of bacteria function over there. Come to a next question, and that is during the primary treatment, this is the physical treatment of sewage, solid particles that settle down are called. This is a sludge actually. Come to the options, flocks. No, flocks are actually aerobic bacteria and the fungi form the flocks actually. So this is not the correct option. Primary sludge, yeah, can be a correct. Come to a next, activated sludge. No, activated sludge. This is formed after the secondary treatment and aerobic also. So this, the primary sludge is the correct option, formed after the primary treatment of sewage, and that is called primary sludge. Come to our next question. Select the correct statement regarding activated sludge formed during secondary sewage treatment. The first option, a small part of it is rapidly pumped back from sedimentation to aeration tank. Yeah, this is the correct option, and that is known as inoculum. Small part of sedimentation that is called the activated sludge is pumped back into the aeration tank as an inoculum. Next, it absorbs pathogenic bacteria present in wastewater while sinking to the bottom of the settling tank. No, it's not about pathogenic bacteria actually, so this is not the correct option. Third one, the C, a major part of it is anaerobically digested. Yeah, this is the correct about activated sludge. Some part of it is pumped back into the aeration tank as an inoculum, and the major part of it is anaerobically digested. Yeah, these two options A and C is the correct answer. So, option D is the correct, both A and C. Come to our sixth question, and that is about the BOD, and that should be the BOD, or biological oxygen demand or biochemical oxygen demand of wastewater, is estimated by measuring the amount of, actually it is the amount of oxygen required by the bacteria to oxidize the organic material present in liter of water. So, total organic matter, no. Organic matter, no, this is actually the oxygen. Biodegradable organic matter, no, this is not the correct option. Oxygen consumption, yeah, this can be a correct, yeah, this is the correct actually, not oxygen evaluation, is oxygen consumption. Amount of oxygen required for the oxidation of organic material present in the wastewater. So, oxygen consumption is the correct option. Come to our seventh question. Which of the following is not a biofertilizer? Biofertilizer, as we know, all are microbes like nitrogen fixing microbes, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Another one is cyanobacteria, they are also nitrogen fixing bacteria, and the third one is mycorrhiza. These all comes under the category of biofertilizers. So, come to the options. Agrobacterium, no, actually agrobacterium is a tumor causing bacteria. We utilize it in the biotechnology to transfer the gene. So, rhizobium, yeah, this is symbiotic bacteria present in the leguminous plants. This is our leguminous plants, and this is rhizobium present in the nodules of these roots. So, this is a legume rhizobium interaction is a biofertilizer, yeah. Nostoc, yeah, it's also a biofertilizer, it's a cyanobacteria. Mycorrhiza, yeah, mycorrhiza is also a biofertilizer. So, this option, the agrobacterium, it is not in biofertilizer, this is the correct option, agrobacterium. Now, come to our eighth question. Mycorrhiza does not help the host plant in. First, what is mycorrhiza? Mycorrhiza actually is a symbiotic relationship between the fungi and the roots of higher plants. Here you can see clearly in the picture, this is the roots actually, and this is the fungi going on roots. So, mycorrhiza is a symbiotic relationship between the roots and of higher plants and between the fungi and roots of higher plants. So, how it helps the host plant? Come to the options. Enhancing its phosphorus uptake, yeah, this is correct. Mycorrhiza helps in phosphorus uptake. Increasing its tolerance to salinity and drought, this is also correct. It's increase the tolerance of plants against salinity and drought. Enhancing resistance to root pathogen, yeah, this also provides protection against the root pathogen mycorrhiza, quite important point. Last, increase its resistance to insects, no, this is not correct. Actually, it increases its resistance against root pathogen, not against insects. So, this is the right option. Mycorrhiza does not help the host plant, increasing its resistance to insects. Come to our next question, that is ninth, an example of endomycorrhiza. Yeah, mycorrhiza I have discussed that there is a symbiotic relationship between the fungi and the higher, in the root of higher plants, actually mycorrhiza. Endomycorrhiza, actually there are two type of mycorrhiza, endomycorrhiza and acto. Acto is actually penetrate deep inside the root and the ecto also penetrate, but not up to the, not penetrate deeper actually, it is on the outer side of the root. So endomycorrhiza that penetrate deeper into the root. Endomycorrhiza include glomus species actually, these all are glomus species. So endomycorrhiza. Come to the options, Nostoc, no, this is actually cyanobacteria. Glomus, yeah, this is the correct option. We can see it clearly from here, endomycorrhiza, glomus is the correct option for endomycorrhiza. Rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria, oscillator is also a cyanobacteria, so glomus is the right option. Come to the last question, that is the 10th one. Organic farming does not include use of fertilizers and pesticide of biological origin, yeah, correct. They use the fertilizer and pesticides of biological origin, not on chemical. This is a biological origin. This is important part of organic farming. IPM, integrated pest management, yeah, this is also important part of organic farming, integrated pest management. Use of genetically modified crops like BT cotton, no, this is not the part of organic farming. Use of genetically modified crops like BT cotton, this is not the part of organic farming, that is the part of biotechnology actually. Logically developed pest resistant varieties, not logically, it is locally actually, should be locally developed pest resistance, yeah, they use locally developed pest resistance variety in organic farming. So this option, BT cotton, use of genetically modified, this is not for the organic farming. So this is the correct option. So friends, these questions are quite important and quite beneficial for you in your exams, like your board exams and in your NEET exams, medical entrance examination. So these questions will be quite helpful for you. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell if you want to get notified whenever I post my next video.